Hi, this is Dharmendra Jain from on behalf of NIC Nandurbar team. First of all, I want to thank IMC jury members who have selected this project, Arogya Darshak Maps, GIS mapping of containment zones and hospital for jury award. Thank you so much for selecting us. This project has been conceptualized during the first wave of COVID in July 2020 when there is a need for marking and demarking of containment zones for limiting the movements of the people in that area. Before it was done on the papers, but it was not useful for the common people, administration and state administration for monitoring purpose. So we come out with the idea of making it on GIS mapping so that the common people can see it on the maps, as well as district administration and state administration get the idea where are the containment zones are marked, where are those are active and where those been closed. Along with that, we have also put up the information of COVID related hospital and health infrastructure in the district. It shows you dedicated COVID health centers as well as quarantine centers, the labs where the RT-PCR testing has been done, the COVID care centers which are located in different talukas of the district. It gives also the information of the nodal officer, so one can directly approach to the nodal officer, go for the swab testing, go for the admission to COVID care center. All these facilities one can access on the mobile and can just call the nodal officer, get the information of containment zones as well as health facilities for the COVID. Thank you so much once again on behalf of NIC Nandurbar for selecting this project. Thank you.